In this video, I'm gonna show you how ThriveCart integration with LearnDash is set up. So with LearnDash, they have a direct integration in ThriveCart. So if we go here, as you can see that I have already set this up. Hi guys, Anika here. To integrate LearnDash with ThriveCart, first thing that you need to do is install the ThriveCart for LearnDash add-on. Once that is activated, this part should show up. Next is you need to go to the settings and set this up. So the secret word, you can grab that from your account under settings, API, order validation, then you can copy this, paste that here. The webhook URL, you also need to set that up under field settings, API webhook and notification. So you need to add that in here. So you can name this with just LearnDash, paste that URL here, this URL. Next, you can change this. So partial refund behavior, it's either you remove the entire access or keep their access. By default, it says, or it is set up to remove users' access. Once this is set up, your LearnDash and ThriveCart account should be able to communicate properly, add user and remove access depending on their subscription or purchase. Now, once the settings is done, you can start adding your product. So, example here, I added a product, provide the name, ThriveCart product ID, and then what access they get. So, if you need a new one, you can click this add button, provide a name. You could leave this blank. WordPress will automatically generate that. Product ID, you can grab that if you go to your product, and if you hover over, you can see the bottom here, the product ID. You can also edit this, and there's a product ID in here. Once example, your product ID is 99, you can decide if you want to enroll users who purchase that product to individual courses, or you can do it per group. In this website, we are treating the group as like a membership level. So we're using the group. And then to unselect that, you can just click command, by the way. And then you can select the groups. And when they purchase this, automatically they will be part of that group. Now, I have some test purchase here. And when I purchase this product, this test one, I receive access. So I got the welcome email, this one, and then I also receive an invoice from ThriveCart regarding my purchase. And what happened to the user was it was immediately enrolled to the group that I set. So you can confirm that here. So in this case, this looked like this. Now, when I refunded the purchase, which is this one, the access was also automatically removed. So without going to the website, this group was also removed from this user. So that's how the LearnDash and ThriveCart integration works. I hope this quick tutorial helps. If you have any question regarding this setup, you can comment that down below, and I'll do my best to answer that in my next videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.